Hey everybody, welcome back to Flipping with Simeon. I'm your host Simeon. We're down here in Marque, Texas. We have a 3-bedroom, 1 bath, a little bit on the small side of 960 square foot. If you look behind me, the roofers demoed the roof and we're going to replace it with a windstorm approved, of course. We're going to replace all the windows, clean up the trees for the landscaping. Follow me, we're going to take a look at this home. Here in the carport, we actually have it's a little bit damaged. We're gonna fix that up to make sure it doesn't fall on anyone's car, the new homeowners. Be careful on the floor. As you can see, there's gonna be shingles with nails in them. We're here at the door. We're gonna walk in so you can take a look at what's going on. As soon as you walk in the property, you look at the ceiling, the sheetrock is gone. So we're gonna fix that up. I'm now standing in the living room. Hardwood floors, they're gonna get refinished. There was a shag carpet on there. We tore them up and revealed that they're beautiful still. Sheetrock's all on the floor right now. Actually, on the other side of this wall here is the garage. Unfortunately, there's no entrance within the home. The exit and entrance is in the backyard. So we're gonna close that off, put a door right here. Let's enter through the kitchen, and this is actually the breakfast area. Coming here in the kitchen, little small, as I said, the house is a bit tiny. We're gonna have an L shape. We're gonna put a refrigerator here. This is the faucet. Someone, I guess, DIY this. We're gonna move it over, give it a better placement. Put a dishwasher here. We're gonna do a wraparound L shape. Tear down these walls to make it a little bit more open concept because the house is, as I said, on the small side. Follow me through the hall. We're gonna go to the bedrooms and the bathroom. Going here in the hallway, there was wallpaper on the wall. Teared it down. We're gonna texture and tape float it, give it a more updated look. First bedroom off to my left. As I said, the hardwood floors goes through the entire home, through the hallway. Only parts is the wet areas. We're gonna have a towel. In here, there's holes in the ceiling from the roof. So we have no sheetrock up other than this small section here. And with these ducts, they collapsed due to the environment and things falling on top of it. Follow me, we'll go to the bedroom or the bathroom. Now here in the bathroom, here's a tub area. The only insulation within this home was in this bathroom. So we're gonna put insulation throughout the entire exterior wall. Tear out all the sheetrock, new towel, new tub, new faucets, new plumbing. And also we're gonna change out the electricity throughout the home as well. So let's go check out the next room. Here in bedroom number 2, you can see that there's things all over the place. Here's the reason why we're changing the windows. If you look at my hand here, we're just going in and out. So what happened is the environment came in the home and you can see the wood framework is just completely tore up. We're gonna go ahead and replace all the windows within the home. The contractor came through and cut through at least 2 feet from the ceiling within the wall so we could stuff insulation throughout all the exterior walls as I mentioned before. If not, then a new homeowner is gonna have a high bill. Once again, there's a hole within the roof. We're gonna change out all the decking. We're gonna make it as plywood, so it'll be more sturdy, and whenever the engineer comes, he will approve it. We're gonna go to our final bedroom, which will be considered the master bedroom. Now here within the master bedroom, the only part of the hardwood floor that looks damaged is here on the floor in the master bedroom. We'll just get another plank possibly out of the closet and put carpet in the closet. If not, we'll see if we can find another plank. Once again, 2 feet on the exterior walls, and this is our home. Thank you everybody for joining us here at Flipping with Simeon. Once again, I'm your host. See you guys next time.